What's up, rockers of YouTube? Lone Star channel here. In today's video, I'm at Deep Ellum down here. Gonna walk around, look at some artwork, and I'm gonna support one of the local businesses here, the Brain Dead Brewery, and local brewery here in Deep Ellum, and try one of their lunch specials. So why don't you hang out with me? It's really great that they put a lot of this artwork in here. I thought I had read an article where they may change the roads around here, so it's possible a lot of this could be demolished. Let's hope not. It's Godzilla! Ah! So this area is where all the action usually is, and as you can see, it's pretty quiet here, and they even boarded up Club Dada. It is a hot day in Dallas, I'll tell you that much, and I am hungry. So I'm in my car here, practicing the proper social distance rules and compliance with deliciousness. This is a tasty burger.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, so we made it over to my friend's house. He told me to head on back to his little art gallery set up back there. So let's go back and see if we can pick up some really cool artwork.
Out of the way. I've been riding bikes a lot, as you can see. Not the
Oh yes, there it is right here.
What?
This is the piece I'm gonna pick up here.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet.
Pictures. It's hard to get a good picture with all the light and being dim in here. I didn't need it or nothing, but oh yeah. And thanks for doing this, you know. Paying tribute. Okay. Whatever, dude. And then yeah, it's like I get bored and I'm trying to make it more exciting, I guess, you know, and then so like, and for more arty or whatever for an art gallery, so.
Well, I got my artwork. This has been a fun day of running around looking at art, but I gotta head on back home, upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe and have the most rocking day.